Okay, I present to you the Rough Country soft vinyl 3-panel cover. I got this off of roughcountry.com and I believe the price was $260. It was the cheapest soft 3-panel foldable that they had for sale in there. And I'm just going to go over a quick my thoughts on the install. So I will tell you right off the bat, not going to be watertight, water resistant, but if you're going to carry things in the bed that you need to be waterproof, put them in a waterproof container of some sort. Overall, it fits pretty good. This is a 24 Canyon, obviously. The corners here do not mold perfectly with the lines of the bed. I don't really care. It does go back over the tailgate, as you can see. The screws in the front do not manipulate this part enough to mush it down all the way, so it's going to be up a little bit. Let's look at the inside, and I'll tell you what I learned about putting the latches on it. Okay, let's see if we got enough light to see this. Yeah, we do. Okay, so here's the rear latches. You basically, while these are loose, hang on, just straighten them out, and you can screw them to choose the tightness that you need them to be. Hang on. Okay. So when you let it loose, it's got some spring in it, so the cover will stay tight on the frame. So I like that. That's good. We're gonna fold it back once, back twice. Make sure these things are in their little snaps so that they don't poke the other part. And then you have these two pieces that will hold it all together. When you go to, like if you need to stand it up, you're gonna have to undo. If you have to undo the whole thing, if you need the whole length of the bed, you're gonna have to just go ahead and unscrew all the screws, all 4 of them. These go into these clamps. Now, when I got these, this screw was in this hole, this channel, right? You can take a screwdriver. Let me see if I can find the hole for you. You can put a screwdriver on this screw head. Which side's it on? I'm sorry, it's on this side. Put a screwdriver on that, and there's a little nut in there, and that will let this loose, and then you can move it. I did it to the outer channel, and I like the way that it made that angle better. When it was in the inner channel and I was screwing this, it was trying to like lean it out. This is just like straight down, and I like that better. But it is really pretty easy. Well, like I said, just moving it to that different channel made it work better in my opinion. So when you want to put it back down, we unclip those. They just hang. And then, sorry, the camera work is terrible right here. We pull this back out of its little groove. Do this so we can get the jaw under there. Clamp it down. Get this out of its little groove. Put the jaw under there. Clamp it down. It's a little, well, I think I got it too tight, honestly. I could probably come back off a couple of turns. Okay, so there's that. Okay. And then, with the tailgate up and the tailgate locked, nobody can get to those. I mean, obviously, if somebody wanted in here bad enough, they could just cut it, but it looks really nice. I think that for a water-resistant cover that I only paid $260 for, or whatever it was, I'm okay with it. Oops. Yeah, I got it good and square. It was easy. It really was easy. The only thing that took any kind of time at all was realizing after I screwed everything in that I needed to move that I needed to move those into the next channel over. And then once I did that, that screwed down good, and everything's good to go. Rough country. Soft vinyl 3-panel cover. Easy peasy.